Come count with me. How many eggs will there be? Red ones, blue ones, yellow two. Let's find eggs, one, not two. One egg hiding near the tree. What's that there? Now I see. Now we have one egg, then two. Counting eggs is fun to do. 2 eggs spotted in the hay. Oh, look there. Hip hop hooray. Now we have 1, 2, then 3. Count them all. Count with me. 3 eggs by the garden door. 1 more hiding? Yes, there's more. 1, 2, 3, then comes 4. Let's keep looking, there's still more. 4 eggs sparkle in the sun. Can we find another one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, what fun! Now we have 5. Counting's done. We did our best. We found 5 eggs. What a quest! Thank you, friend, for counting too. Happy Easter just for you.